Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of a monthly challenge that is hosted by Yemi from the Latina Next Door. It's called Look for Less. She hosts it every month, and every month I'm looking forward to participate in this challenge. Her co-host for this month is Elena from the Blondie Next Door. Both of those ladies are amazing crafters, DIYers. If you don't know neither one of them, I will link all the information about them in the description below. But let me tell you a little bit about the Look for Less. If you don't know what Look for Less is, it is a challenge that Yemi hosts, which we have to find something that is out of our price range and create it in an affordable, budget-friendly style. So, and the recreation is supposed to be as close as possible. So I found a couple things, and I have been debating which one I want to recreate for my house. So if you're interested in what I have created for this Look for Less challenge for months of August, please continue watching. Hey guys, for this project I used Dollar Tree wreath, and what I did, I had some old felt, and I went ahead and wrapped it around the frame and used my hot glue. This way all the flowers and the leaves and the pumpkins will stick to it really good when you're using a hot glue. So I bought 6 of those different types of bouquets from a Dollar Tree, and this is what I will be using to recreate this wreath. It really didn't cost me a lot. I only spent $6, and I really didn't have to because I had plenty of fall already decorations purchased before, but I wanted to buy just specifically for this project, so I went ahead and bought some more. So I did burn myself pretty bad with the hot glue during this project, so I went on Amazon and bought some finger protected, which I should have done it before. But anyway, so I hope you enjoy it. It's not that difficult, and it surely wasn't $83 as they wanted at the Hobby Lobby. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out pretty cute and budget friendly. I think I nailed the price. I'm in love with all my decorations lately. So anyway, if you would like to see more video in the Look for Less challenge, there's a playlist link in the description below. Just click on it and continue watching all the amazing crafters who are participating in this challenge. But for me, that is it. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.